Hello everyone, welcome in this new video of PPC Incubator. In today's video we are going to talk about DSA campaign. DSA is a really powerful tool that can help us create and manage hundreds or even thousands of ads in a fully automatic way. We can use this type of ads for any type of clients. My suggestion is to use it mostly for e-commerces, but I also use it for lead gen campaign or even traffic campaign. So it doesn't really matter. It is important that you understand how it works, because otherwise it can literally waste your money. And understand also the power behind this type of campaign that we're going to see soon. There is just one alert though. I suggest to use it only if your website code, I mean the SEO structure of your website. With structure, I mean title, description, URLs, and all the things that you set up when you create your website or you create a new page, a new product page, and these kind of things, because the algorithm work exactly on what you write in this part of code, in this part of your website. So it's really important to have everything really well set it up. So I don't want to waste more of your time, and let's go straight to the campaign to see how to create it. So to create a DSA campaign, we have to go on Google Ads panel and then click on new campaign. Here we're going to choose the objective of our campaign. Let's say that we are running an e-commerce campaign, so I'm going to pick sales. Here you have to select your conversion campaign and then click continue. Here is important now to select search. I'm saying now because soon the DSA campaign will move to Performance Max, but I will make a specific video for this topic. Here I'm going to deselect display network. You can also leave search network. If you don't have enough budget, you can deselect it. Otherwise you can just leave it on. Then I'm going to pick, for example, Italy. That's fine. English and Italian. I select both of them because languages is not the language of the user, but is the language of the browser. I'm going to turn it off. Broad match keyword. Here you can leave everything as default. Just one important thing, as you can see here, we don't have any option about DSA campaign. We are going to see in a few seconds why. So I'm going next. I'm not gonna create an ad group now because, as you can see, Google Ads is asking to select keywords and ads, but since we are running a DSA campaign, we don't need keywords. Okay, so I'm just going to delete it. I'm going to budget. Let's put €1, for example. Okay, you see we have issues, but we can publish anyway our campaigns. The campaign is done. Now let's go back to ad groups level. Create an ad group. So as you can see here, we have standard or dynamic. Let's pick dynamic now. Okay, here we have website and language. Why we see this option now? Because if we go back to the campaign settings, see, now we have dynamic search ad settings. We didn't have before when we were creating a new campaign. Since I'm guessing since Google is moving DSA to Performance Max, it doesn't want you to select search to create dynamic search ads. That's why it's kind of hide inside the settings. So here you're going to put your website. Language also is really important because it will be the language of your ads. So for example, I'm going to put Italian and save ad groups. Let's create one. I'm going to pick dynamic. So see, now I'm not gonna set the dynamic because I did like a few seconds ago in the campaign setting. So let's put again test, and here we have many options of target. here we have page content, page title, URL. We can also combine them, for example, page title, URL, or we can use all web pages. So it depends on the strategy, but again, it's really important to understand that your SEO structure, it has to be perfect. Otherwise, here when we select URL, page title, or page content, it will be very difficult to target the right pages. Okay, so let's just go on to pull all web pages. Okay, so when you select a target, make sure that the target will move from here to here, so the left column to the right column. We are done. Save and continue. Here we are going to create the ads. So as you can see, we cannot create final URL, headline, display URL. We can just make description 1. Done. Okay, you can also create another ad. You can create from scratch or duplicate it, but I'm just going to leave one. Save and continue. Done. Our campaign is now ready. So there are also options to understand how it is working, which pages we are targeting, which queries we are intercepting, but I'm going to show it in another video if you are interested. So that's all for today, guys. I hope this video will help you, and if you have any doubts, please leave us comments down below. I will do my best to answer you. If you like the video, please leave a thumbs up. I would appreciate it. Remember to subscribe to the channel to don't miss any video coming out. So that's all for today. Thank you. Bye.